What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got two hot rumors that absolutely must be discussed. So I wanted to make this quick video and we're gonna go ahead and just jump right and dive into it. Now, we got a rumor about the Dodge Challenger and Charger EV, as well as rumors about the replacement for the Dodge Challenger and Charger Hemi V8 engine. So we're gonna start off with rumor number one. So shout out to Auto Evolution. There's a bunch of all of the top, car publications that are pretty much posting about this as well. But I like Auto Evolution, and they gave a thorough breakdown of everything that's going on in its current state. So we're going to start off with the Dodge Challenger and Charger EV. So what we have learned with these rumors is that the concept version is more than likely what that particular vehicle is going to look like. And excuse me, this is just for the Dodge Charger Daytona EV. So that concept version that we saw, rumor has it, is the production version is pretty much going to look the same. But we're going to see what happens. And they're kind of stirring up the pot as we get closer to the end of the year. Production is supposed to start in 2024. So we're going to see about that. And then also another rumor that we have related to the Dodge Challenger and Charger, both versions will be called the Daytona. So each of these EV versions of the Challenger and Charger is going to be a Daytona something. So we'll see when we get there, but I think that's pretty interesting. And the reason for that leads into the second rumor that we have. All right, y'all. So, yeah, we definitely about to ruffle some feathers, especially if you a true V8 Hemi enthusiast. But the EPA is bringing a hammer down on all of these automakers, so there's honestly nothing Dodge is able to do. But I know how much we love the Hemi V8. So what we are being told, and once again, these are just rumors, is that Stellantis is going to replace the Hemi V8 with the twin turbocharged Hurricane inline V6. Now, this engine actually came about in 2023 in both the Jeep Wagoneer and the Grand Wagoneer. And I believe for each version, the entry-level version has like a little bit over 400 horsepower. I think it's about 410, 415, something like that. And the second tier version has a little bit over 500 horsepower. But what I'm hearing and what the news is that, Stellantis is hearing our cry about, the V8 engines going away, and the inline turbocharged Hurricane V6 engine they're supposed to be using for the Dodge Challenger and Charger is going to have a little bit more than the actual current version. So it's going to have a little bit more than that, either the 400, the 500 horsepower. We don't know as of yet. These are just rumors, but I don't know, man. I don't know how I feel about that. Yeah, horsepower is cool. I know everybody want to go fast, but you know what? I'm not even going to say that right now. I'm just going to, when these cars come out, I just want to hear what this engine is going to sound like. I want to hear what the exhaust notes is going to sound like. But let me know what y'all think about this, man. I think there's some hot and juicy news that we should be able to look forward to going into 2024. We coming up on the last quarter, and I know they like to typically ruffle feathers towards the end of the year, but I'm excited. I'm excited about the EV. I'm not gonna lie. I just hope that they figure something out with that sound that they have, because the last sound that they was giving off, I was not feeling that. That shit sounded like Darth Vader or something like that. You know what I'm saying? So I hope they get that sound, whatever exhaust note, whatever audio that they're gonna put. Hopefully they can make that thing sound like a real muscle car. But I'm not gonna lie, man. I'm slowly starting to get interested in that EV version. I just want to see what that thing is gonna look like when it comes off that production line and how it's gonna perform, especially once the Charger, excuse me, not the Charger, the Challenger, because we've seen the Charger Daytona EV. So that is what it's supposed to be. But I want to see what this EV Challenger is gonna look like. But that's all, man. That's all. That's hot. That's the hot news for the Mopar community. That's the hot news I wanted to give you guys. So, man, let's have a discussion, because I want to get you guys' honest opinion, especially about that inline V6. So we gonna wrap it up like that. I appreciate every single one of y'all. So y'all stay safe. Y'all stay blessed. And I'll be back with another one.